Okay, let's get right into this. First, I'll explain to you what a dimension is. So it's kind of like a line. X, Y, and Z are all dimensions. The 0th dimension is just like a dot. The first dimension is just a line. The second dimension is a shape, like, I don't know, a pentagon, a decagon, or a pentadecagon. Hope I pronounced that right. The third dimension is where we are. A 3D object is a cube, sphere, pyramid, etc. So, the fourth? To figure it out, we just need to assume that to get a shape in one higher dimension, you just have to extrude the shape in one higher dimension. First, we take a dot and extrude it in the first dimension. Then we take that line and extrude it in the second dimension. Now we take that square and extrude it in the third dimension. Now we take that cube and extrude it into the fourth dimension. Now it's a hypercube, and my brain is exploding. But how would we comprehend the hypercube? Well, the same way 2D beings, or flatlanders, comprehend 3D objects. They only see a 2D slice. They would see a sphere passing through the 2D dimension as just a dot getting bigger and bigger, then starting to get smaller and eventually disappear. Same in one higher dimension. You would see a 3D slice of a 4D object. A 3D hypersphere passing through the third dimension will look like a sphere, getting bigger and bigger until it starts to get smaller and smaller until it eventually disappears. So basically, the fourth dimension is just one higher dimension. In a nutshell, the fourth dimension to us is just like the third dimension to flatlanders. And that's the fourth dimension for you.